What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have the 7-inch build that we are finally flying around. And let me tell you, this thing flies amazing, and I'm actually regretting that I have not built a 7-inch sooner. But yeah, so this is me just kind of ripping around my little spot that I typically go to and have a lot of my flights here. I'm just really impressed on how this thing flies. I mean, it flies super smooth, and this is not me touching anything. Like, I have not touched a single PID, not a single setting. It is pretty much straight up Betaflight. Now, it's not Betaflight 4.0. I've been using Betaflight 3.57 or whatever the newer 3.5 one is. It's just so much easier to tune. That's my experience with it. I do have a couple quads still on 4.0. Mostly my racing quads, because they do actually fly pretty good on 4.0, but 3.5 for my freestyle quads, it's easier to tune, and it just flies really good, and I like it. So this is on Betaflight 3.5, the newer one, 3.57 or 6, I can't really remember exactly. It is using the Radix flight controller, and I will leave a link down to everything down below. But I'm guys gonna let you enjoy the video, and leave any comments down below of what you thought of it. I'm, like I said, really impressed with how it flies. It definitely has some power, and you can go with the 4S or the 6S. The 6S, it definitely has the power. Then the 4S, if you want to do some long range with the 4S, that's what that's for. But I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.